So as usual, this will be, I will just fill it and let you know, guys. So now I have filled all basic information for registration. So after that you can click on OK. So as soon as you click on OK, they will send you the password to your email ID that you have registered. Now you have registered your application or email, where you can see now. So you can just click here, then you can also directly log in by here. Otherwise you can copy the password that they have sent and use that password. And there is one more email where they have asked you or send you twice, so it's fine. So you can just click on the password that they have sent and click on login. As soon as you logged in, then you are here where you have to fill all other information. So now here they have important information that they have given here. Please fill out the application form now. You can do this several logging session, so that is normal. The intermediate results will be stored automatically. If you want to submit application, finally press the submit button. As soon as you submit, you can't edit it. That is the important information that everybody knows, but yeah, it's fine. So now the personal data, when, where is fine. So this field is mandatory. You just have to click on edit personal data, and I have filled my date of birth and place of birth and click on OK. So now you can just see here it is filled, and you have to put a photo if you want. So I can just add a photo so that it looks good. I will add a photo. So now you can see I have added my photo. After that you need to add your at least one corresponding address. You can just click on plus button and add your address here. I will just add and I'll let you know. You can, after filling this, you can just click on OK. I have given some dummy address, but it's fine. So now, and also attachment of your curriculum vitae, you can just click on this, and I will use some dummy documents, but you fill your CV here. So for CV you can do it from Europass, or if you guys need my latex code or latex template that they have used, if you can, then comment me, then I will send you. Now I have used my dummy document, so I will use dummy document for all, but you just have to fill it. So now you can just see here study program applied for. You can select whichever you like, but like as soon as you see, my interest will also jump into embedded computing system, because I am interested in embedded, or that's the same course that I did, but we'll stick to the plan. For sure, I am sure that embedded computing system will be there in the DART website, and we will come across just the same application for the same course in the next upcoming videos. Because if you can see here, I noticed now we are in, or we got automation and control by this website, because it is in alphabetical order. So now we will get this embedded computing system in maybe like 4th page when it comes to E. So that's why as of now we'll stick to the plan and click on automation and control. So because we are applying for that, that is what we also noted down in our Excel sheet that we are preparing. So that's the reason we will stick to the plan. Then you can click on letter of motivation and letter of recommendation, which you have to upload. And don't forget, for letter of recommendation you have to attach 2 recommendations. So don't forget that, because I don't think they will ask you to upload or tell you again and again. So please don't forget. So now I will upload all my dummy documents. Letter of motivation is done. Then letter of recommendation. Here please make sure to add 2 files. One letter of recommendation, upload, then again you can add, that is good, they have already mentioned one more attachment of this type is required. So that is good though. I like these kind of minute data, because then it feels like the code who has done the person who have coded it, he had put or tested it well. So now we will upload the second document. So now you have uploaded 2 documents, so that is good. And letter of recommendation is still plus, because some people if they want to, then they can also add one more thing or one more document. And there is a publication list. So if you have published any papers or did some projects where you have published your papers in IEEE, then you can attach your paper. Otherwise, if you don't have, then it is fine. Then there is a miscellaneous documents always. So in this miscellaneous document, people can show their work experience certificate, internship certificate, and if you have done German, then put German certificate. Other than that, what else you can do? If you have done any what you can say certifications like CompTIA N plus or any of your desired course or certification that you have done, you can put those. So whatever things that are not mentioned here, everything comes under miscellaneous document, and you can put as many of that. There is no rule that they have mentioned if you put miscellaneous document or if you have some extracurricular activity, your admission will be admission chance will be increased. No, don't be that mindset. You can, if you have, you can apply, otherwise you don't have, that's it. Then you can just move further, where you have two letter of recommendation from the faculty staff has to be uploaded, and they will reach out to postal or email address for the letter of recommendation professor that whoever is given to you. So make sure after you get received it, and tell them that I have submitted my application, and they can contact you whenever they want. So please tell them to be active in their mails, and tell them to reply. Then you can just click on add degree and study, where you have to fill your degree details and also to give your degree certificate. So we'll fill it. So now I have filled all all details, where you have to fill your degree type, Bachelor of Engineering, area of degree, electrical engineering, started, completion, and completion month, university, and which language you finished, and graduated. So here if you can see, completion year is not mandatory, and also here if you don't select, maybe in future you can select, where you have to click on this. So if you have applying in 6-7 semesters, so then you can click on OK. As soon as you clicked on OK, you have to submit your documents here. So here please enter your final grade. So here you can just enter. Let's see if you are less than 1.7 or 1.7 conversion, how they will do. So we have CGPA, some people will have, I don't know, DPGA, I don't know, I never heard of it. Some people have GPA, some people have German grading system, other grading system. So I have a CGPA point. Let's see how it will show. You can click on OK, and here you have a total credits hour, quantity of hour you added. So here you can just click, and it will be 200 credit. Total grade points is 10, and maximum grade points per course is also 10. Minimum CGPA for passing is 4, and achieved CGPA for my side it was 8.7. Then if you click on OK, it will be finished. So here if you can see these information, how I know is because I always use the TU Munich German GPA converter, where it add the same information. Or if you're confused what I gave, how I gave 10 and 4, please, for the VTU guys, other university also will have that, please turn over your marks card or mark sheet. There they will have your maximum grade points per course, which will be 10 CGPA, and minimum will be 4. If you score 4 below 4, then it will be 5, and which will be fail. For the pass, and it will be 5. So that minimum is 4. Then you can click on degree certificate and upload your degree certificate. This attachment is mandatory, so you don't need to. Then you can click on certified translation, where you have attested the document from your lawyer or the green pen holder. Then you can attach at last your transcript of records. After all attaching, now they asked for the qualification subjects covered during your previous studies. So here you can click on electrical engineering basics. Please attach your study subject if possible. So we can click on that, and course covered by, course or module name as shown on the transcript, and contained lapped courses. We had lapped course of 25%. Okay, course covered by, so here I think you just have to give all course name. So yeah, so I think write everything like this with the comma and add it. You can click on OK. So here I think yes, you just have to write it, what are the course that they have you had. So you can just write next to next, and yeah, I have just given you the basic of circuit design. Then you can click on IELTS. Language qualification data mandatory, this data is also mandatory. So for you can click on IELTS, and you can see qualification data, IELTS result, and you can give how much you have got. So then you can click OK, because you just have to give any one. Then you have to give your attachment for your IELTS exam. So I will upload my dummy document. So after that, description of subject covered during your previous studies. So here you just have to give the description. So here you can upload your module handbook and click on upload. So here, after uploading, please make sure here you give the complete courses or the main courses of electrical engineering. So here please make sure you give like from the 2nd semester to 8th semester the major courses. Don't give courses like analog design 1, analog design 2. No, just give one analog design, like that. So make it short, keep everything. Then here anyway you will attach the PDF that they will look for it. Then assessment fees, please note that is a verification of for your qualification. You have to pay 60 euros, then only they will start assessing it. So please add a statement about your assessment fees of payment. So here you just have to add a payment. So assessment payment is paid, yes. Date of payment, I will just add today's date, as I won't be submitting the application, but I just wanted to show you 2024 08/13. Then you can click on OK. As soon as after you pay, you can just click on OK. Then upload the document. I guess you just have to upload the proof of payment. Click on OK and click on open. So then you can upload it. Now you are done with all information. Please check your application before once again submitting it. Then as soon as you click on submit, your application will be submitted. So congratulations, I have submitted. So in case you want to revoke your submission application, press revoke button. So where is the revoke button? I just have to revoke it. So now once you go to again your application, here there is a revoke application. I can click on revoke application. So your application has been revoked. So please don't do this. So this I did because I have showed you with my dummy application things. That's the reason I revoked my application. But I think it was straightforward, and the steps that I explained was understanding for everyone, and it is easy to understand, I guess, because I took some time and I explained everything. So if you have any doubts, please drop a comment. I will check into it. So this was the video for RPTU application, and if you remember, we will do a same video or update it when embedded course will come. But in the next video, as usual, we will talk about master degree biomedical engineering Hamburg for applied science. So this will be our third one. So if you can see here, I have bookmarked these two courses because we already finished it. Now we will go to third, and we will also dig into this course and note down the entry requirements, when is the application deadline and things like that. Then we will start applying when application deadline is we are inside. So thanks for supporting me now. So please keep supporting like this, and so if you guys support, then I will get enthusiastic to make more videos. And please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.